Let's start this course with the big question. What is ASO? The apps we want to download from the App Store or Google Play are more visible when they rank highly in the search results for a variety of keywords, when they maintain a high position in the top charts, or when they're featured on the store. But how do you make sure that your app gets in front of the right people in the right places? And how do you make sure that these people actually download your app? That's where ASO comes in. We define ASO, standing for App Store Optimization, as the process of improving an app's visibility on the app stores and maximizing its appeal to new, existing, and lapsed users with the objective of increasing app downloads and reactivations. In other words, ASO comes down to this simple equation: traffic multiplied by conversion equals downloads. Let's break this down, starting with traffic. The traffic we want to drive to an app can fall under a variety of umbrellas. The main two we'll discuss are search traffic and browse traffic. There are other sources like referral traffic, which is traffic that comes from other apps or websites, but in ASO, we predominantly focus on organic traffic that happens within the store. Organic search traffic mainly refers to users who find your app after making a keyword search on the App Store. As a result, ASO practitioners typically focus on one pillar, keyword optimization, to increase search traffic. We'll go into more depth about this later. Traffic can also be driven through the browse or explore pages when an app is featured on the App Store or Google Play. The store editors are constantly searching for strong apps and games to promote, so getting featured can help to drive a lot of traffic and therefore downloads. The second part of the ASO equation is conversion, the act of converting a store visitor, someone looking for an app to download, into an app user. Now that your app is visible and driving traffic, you want to transform this traffic into actual customers. There are a few things to consider to increase your app's conversion rate. The most important are your app creatives, so your icon, screenshots, video, and so on, and the ratings and reviews left for your app by users who've tried it. These elements are vital to persuade store visitors to download your app. Driving traffic to a page with a strong appeal will ultimately increase your app downloads, but the advantages of doing ASO are so much more than just that. If you're not investing in ASO, you're missing out on the largest discovery channels available to your app. According to Apple, 65% of all downloads on the App Store happen after a keyword search. This shows that working on your keyword optimization will really put your app in the best position to drive installs. Next, optimizing your default App Store page or any custom product page will lead to higher conversion rates and lower CPIs for your advertising campaigns. It's important to remember that every single person comes through the app stores to download your app, whether that person finds your app through social media ads, native ads in an app, or through any other channel. Your product page plays a major role in convincing these users to download your app. So, thanks to higher conversion rates, your paid acquisition campaigns become much more cost-effective. Now, this third point might seem obvious, but it's surprising how many app companies are missing this trick. Your team should be prioritizing ASO as a sustainable method to get your app in front of the right people. You might be hesitant about the effectiveness of ASO if your app already has a strong brand, like Spotify, Candy Crush, or Netflix, who get the majority of their app downloads from people who specifically search for their brand name. However, optimizing your use of generic keywords, so that's any word that isn't related to your brand, is a great way to gain new customers and increase your brand awareness even more. For example, Tinder is one of the most popular dating apps in the world. Despite the majority of its installs being driven by its brand name, a significant proportion of the app's installs consistently come from generic keywords, like dating apps, meet friends, or match. Optimizing its store listing by adding relevant generic keywords to its metadata helps Tinder to gain new customers who might not be familiar with the brand. But this logic doesn't just apply to Tinder. The potential to optimize your app performance using generic keywords is huge. AppTweak found that generic keywords, and in particular strategic combinations of these keywords, represent half of all search traffic on the App Store. Clearly, Generic keywords represent a huge opportunity to increase your app's visibility and conversions. Moving on, let's highlight 3 more reasons why your team should definitely be investing in ASO. Retention rate is a super important app metric. On average, apps downloaded organically have retention rates 25% higher than apps downloaded through paid means. Instead of losing money on paid campaigns, mobile marketeers are now turning to ASO as a long-term method of acquisition and retention. Next, ASO will help to increase your chances of getting featured. With over 2 million apps on the app stores, getting featured by Apple or Google is a very rare opportunity. But the more you follow the store's best practices and guidelines, the higher your chances are of being featured one day. And finally, your competitors are definitely doing it, but don't just take my word for it. On AppTweak, you can discover how often the top apps in each category update their metadata to improve their ASO. For example, our update frequency benchmarks tell us that, on average, the top 30 social networking apps on the App Store update their screenshots around twice a year. The top 30 sports apps on both stores update their descriptions around 3 times a year. And action games update their icons super frequently, around 9 times a year on Google Play. These insights can stop you from falling behind the competition by showing where to invest the necessary resources for your ASO strategy. So, we've just presented 6 factors demonstrating the importance of ASO for your app growth. But you might need something a little more powerful to convince your team that ASO is really worth the investment. As a mobile game growth platform, Superscale's mission was to help Nimblebit, an American game publisher, improve the appeal of its flagship game, Tiny Tower, on Google Play. Early on, Superscale realized that Tiny Tower lacked visibility due to its outdated product page, which hadn't really changed since 2011. The real challenge was now to promote Tiny Tower to more modern players while maintaining its core originality. At first, Superscale focused on paid user acquisition to target app installs through advertising campaigns. However, the traffic and conversion results weren't great. So to optimize Tiny Tower's performance, Superscale decided to try investing more into ASO, and more specifically, into keyword and creative optimization. Superscale started by optimizing Tiny Tower's app title and description. They used AppTweak to analyze the keywords used most in searches, which also helped them understand where Tiny Tower and its competitors lacked visibility. After updating the game's metadata based on our insights, Tiny Tower started to drive 25% more search traffic on the Play Store. Next, Superscale used AppTweak to research creative trends in Tiny Tower's game category. After spying on its competitors to understand what worked and what didn't work for them, Superscale designed new visuals to perform A/B tests on the app icon. But what is an A/B test? A/B testing your app icon, for example, is when you simultaneously present variations of the icon to different segments of store visitors. This allows you to use real, relevant data to understand which design components attract and convert best. For Superscale, implementing the top performing icon increased Tiny Tower's conversion rates by 6%. Finally, after optimizing the text and creative assets on Tiny Tower's page, the game began to get featured more and appeared more often in Google Play Explore placements. Specifically, the game's downloads from Google Play Explore increased by over 450%. And this is just one ASO success story. Here at AppTweak, we have a bunch of case studies that prove that ASO is the most sustainable way to attract, convert, and retain quality users.